is Francesco Gambino, after sales manager at SEACSUB, and I'll be representing the SME.
Hi, my name is Jaime Figueroa, and I am a project engineer at Canonical Robots, the technology supplier.
My name is Javier Massa, industrial designer behind NMASA Design, and I'm the artist on this project.
Our team's name is reFINE, and during the Better Factory program, we have been defining the future of tech scuba diving fins. Over the last year, we have focused on reshoring and optimizing the F1 fin production while reducing the environmental impact of the company and improving workers' well-being. There were three main initiative projects: the redesign of the F1 fin, the introduction of a collaborative robots, and the reduction of raw plastic consumption.
We took advantage of the reshoring of the F1 to make a new design that could solve some of the issues that the previous model had while exploring new aesthetics and shapes. The main issues with the old F1 were an excessive number of partitions that impeded the smooth flow of the material throughout the geometry, a non-ergonomic opening in the center that overcomplicated the mold, and an excess of plastic in the shoe area that was making the fin uncomfortable.
Besides the redesign, Canonical Robots was in charge of the introduction of a cobot during the injection molding of scuba diving fins. The operation is semi-automatic, as currently the operator is tasked with tasks like inserting a plastic plate into the press or performing visual checks. The main challenge in the scuba fin production process was the ergonomically tough task of removing the fin from its mold, requiring operators to work in uncomfortable positions. Our robotic system takes over the extractions task and allows the operator to tackle other tasks, improving efficiency.
Simultaneously, the team has addressed production waste with different strategies. Firstly, the new redesign of the F1 has resulted in a reduction of 15% of raw plastic consumption. Secondly, we have been able to reintroduce more than 80% of the plastic waste from the production into the production cycle, which means 808 kilograms of polypropylene per year. And finally, the reFINE project has also tested several innovations, such as the introduction of recycled plastic from marine waste into the production to substitute raw plastic. In a poetic twist, material that once destroyed divers' paradises finds redemption in the shape of essential equipment for them.
The most important thing we got from Better Factory was an opportunity for SEAC to make a significant improvement in our production and actively reduce the environmental footprint. From an automation perspective, the cobot provides a significantly added value for the company, and we plan to implement a larger cobot that can further speed up the work cycle.
The particular approach of Better Factory project and its vision of mixing art and manufacturing has provided us with a perfect platform to embrace new design methodologies and test speculative design.
In Canonical Robots, we believe that participating in projects like Better Factory is crucial for expanding our capabilities in adapting robotic solutions in different manufacturing environments. This allows us to broaden our knowledge and skills.
We hope that our solution will push the scuba diving sector toward a more safe, innovative, effective, and sustainable future, while inspiring other plastic producers to actively work on their waste and its impact on the environment.